Hello there, Bambi here with Creatively Bambi, and today I'm going to talk to you about how I treat myself. I am busy, and so are you. So I hope that somehow, some way, that you can find a way to treat yourself to a little something in the midst of all the chaos. In the middle of it all, there is a little something, a little light at the end of the tunnel. Every single day. I'm going to tell you some ways that I like to treat myself. Number one, this is small and it costs less than $5. You see that right there? Those are my fresh flowers. I buy myself flowers. My husband would buy me some. It's not that big of a deal. But I love fresh flowers. And I'm not talking about like the standard roses. Roses are pretty, but I like a bright, pretty flower. It makes me feel so good to see some beautiful flowers in the middle of a clean space. Oh, I love it. Not around a bunch of clutter, a nice clear table with some beautiful flowers in the middle. They're just gorgeous. I don't do it all the time because even though I always pick the flowers too that are less than $5. Oh, and you want to know my little hack where I get them? Trader Joe's. I get my flowers at Trader Joe's. I do. They're not sponsoring this video, but they have such a beautiful selection of flowers year-round, by the way. If you ever go in there, you know it. And they're really affordable. It's just such a small way to brighten up a space. So that's one way that I treat myself every now and then. I don't do it all the time. I don't even do it every week. But every now and then I do like to grab some pretty fresh flowers, and it makes me happy. Another way that I treat myself, I like to get a mani and a pedi every now and then. Now, to make it more affordable, I don't do pedicures in the winter when my toes are not out. And a lot of times I will do my own mani and pedi. If I do go get a manicure and pedicure out, there is a place that I like to go, and they have an early bird special. So if you get in there before 1 o'clock, they give you a big fat deal. They'll knock off, it's not a big fat deal, but they'll knock off like $5 or $10 if you go in there early in the day. And let me tell you something, that place opens at 10, and by 10:30, it's pretty darn full because people know that you can save a few bucks if you go in there a little bit early. So if I do splurge on a mani-pedi, that is definitely one of the things that a way that I love to treat myself. But it costs. So how about something way less expensive? Chocolate. Right? Chocolate. Like if it's baking, I don't care if it's me baking something with chocolate or buying a cookie. A cookie will work wonders. They're so good. And it's such a nice way to treat yourself. Speaking of that, in the food realm, how about a glass of wine? Hello, right? You know you do it. And if you don't do it, you know there's other moms that are like, I need a glass of wine. And if it isn't wine, you know what else it is? It might be a cup of tea. Oh, I love me a cup of tea. Especially on like a weekend afternoon. Oh, it's just so nice. And then one of my girls always drinks tea with me. So she'll always say, can I have a cup of tea? And we'll have tea. And it's just really nice and I love it. And in the winter, I make a cup of tea every afternoon. Sometimes in the mornings too. I'll switch it up with my coffee. So that's another lovely way that I like to treat myself. Now, if I'm going shopping, I am a sucker for the comfy clothes section. Because I'm a mom of 3 girls, I'm on the go, and I'm all about whatever's comfy cozy. Now, that being said, I am fully aware that sometimes some of us tend to be way too casual and, dare I say, sloppy. And I'm included in that. Because I will put on a pair of sweatpants. Listen, is there anything wrong with it? No. But should it be every day? No, probably not. I remember one time I was wearing yoga pants and stretch pants, or like yoga pants and sweatpants so much that one day I went to my kids' school to volunteer for something or another during the day, and I put on a pair of jeans, and another mom said, "Oh my God, you're wearing jeans. I only always see you in black pants." It was, she didn't mean it as an insult, and I didn't take it as an insult. I took it as a reality check that I needed to that I needed to switch things up a little bit. But I was 6 months postpartum, so I was like, I had like soft body, so that stretch was very forgiving. But there went my phone dinging. But you know, that was a little reality check, like I said. But anyway, if I am out shopping, I do love to go find the comfy clothes section where like the nice workout clothes are. Oh, and I'll find like a nice, comfortable, casual shirt that is beyond comfortable. That's how I shop. It has to be comfortable, but I want it to look put together. So that's another way I treat myself. Oh, and I'll go to the sneaker aisle too. Oh, I love a fresh pair of sneakers. They're so comfy. And then when you put them on with a little shirt that matches and a pair of jeans. Ah! Anyway, okay, so that's shopping the way I like to treat myself when I'm shopping. And I think that's about it. So wine, chocolate, mani-pedi, fresh flowers, a little shopping. I'm not hard to please. Anyway, all right, so that's it. Those are the ways I like to treat myself. Let me know how you like to treat yourself. Oh, and here's one more. Do you know what else I like to do? And this one's free. I love when everybody is asleep and I have quiet. You know what I do? I get a magazine and I chillax. I love my magazines. And I'm not always as disciplined about getting in bed at a decent time as I should be, because I love that quiet so much that it's like I just want to stretch it out as long as I can and savor it. So sometimes I have to force myself to get in bed, but if I get in bed early enough, I'll get my magazine and I post up and I read, and it is so pleasant. So anyway, that's that. Let me know how you treat yourself now. I want to know what you do to treat yourself after taking care of everybody and working your behind off all day, because I know you do. So let me know in the comments below what you do for you. And I have something else you can do for yourself. Click right there. That's a little something that you can pamper yourself with, all right? And you want to make your life a little easier? Check out down right there. There's a few tips for you too. All right, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already so you'll know every time I upload a video, and give this video a good old thumbs up if you liked it. Thanks for checking in with me today. I'll see you next time.